All right, to start our radicals unit, the first thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about roots beyond a square root. Okay, if there's no number here, it's implied to be 2. Okay, but we're going to look at roots that are bigger than 2. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to simplify these. We're going to do the same process we do with the square root. We'll break down the term. So 64 is 32 and 2. That'd be 2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, and 2 and 2. So you break it down, prime factorization, x to the 9th. It's 9 x's. This x, the variables are easy. A little tedious, but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, here's the rule. When you had a square root, you had to have 2 of something to come out. Here, we're going to try to be getting terms into groups of 3. So I'm trying to get groups of 3 now because it's a cube root. If it's a 4 there, you're going to get groups of 4, okay? So I'm going to get groups of 3. So I've got a group of 3 2s. I got another group of 3 2s. I got a group of 3 x's, a group of 3 x's, and a group of 3 x's. So what you're doing is you could take out a 2 for this group of 2s, a 2 for this group of 2s, an x for that group of x's, an x for that group of x's, an x for that group of x's, okay? I don't know if the arrows are help or not. Okay. And so I can now, I'm going to multiply this. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared times x is x cubed. So 4x cubed. Now, what's left over? What did not pair up at the end of the branch? Well, actually, everything paired up. Okay, nothing at the end of the branch was not left, so it'd be 4x cubed. Okay, so if you know I do the square root, it's not going to be any challenge. It's a little different. This is the fourth root. So I'm going to break this down. So 32 is 16 and 2. 16 is 2 and 8. 2 and 4. And 2 and 2. X to the 6th is 6 x's. Y to the 8 is 8 y's. So I need to have 4 of something to come out. So notice I've got 4 2's here because it's the fourth root. No more, that 2 is going to be stuck in there. 4 x's, 4 y's, 4 y's. So what can come out? A 2, an x, a y, and a y. Fourth root, remember put 4 there. I always forget about that. What to not pair up? 2 right there, and then 2 x's. So I can simplify this. 2 times x is 2x, y squared, fourth root of 2x squared. So that's my answer.